Life as a college student feels like a race. Between classes and work, it can be a bit overwhelming. And finding a moment to breathe is tough. But what if you could hit pause for a moment? What if you could get grounded?
So, what does it mean to be grounded? Well, it's finding truth that helps you make sense of life's big questions. And it's finding community with others who are on the same journey as you. It's finding faith that keeps you steady, like Colossians 1:23 says, "If indeed you continue in the faith, grounded and steadfast, and are not moved away from the hope of the gospel which you heard, which was preached to every creature under heaven." That's what being grounded feels like.
Grounded is a public campus retreat happening for students on October 24th through the 26th. It's your chance to step away from everyday stress and explore a faith that holds you down. Whether you're curious about faith or ready to go deeper, register now in the link below for our weekend to recharge and get grounded.
See you there.
See you there!
See you there!
See you there.